The best webinar hosting tool allows you to do it all, from recording webinars to accessing advanced features like automation and analytics to increase lead generation and boost conversion rates. EverWebinar has been a game changer for many users, saving them hours and days by eliminating the need for live classes. Its ability to set up pre-recorded webinars has also been a major time saver, allowing users to automate their webinar process and reach a wider audience. EverWebinar allows users to set up automated sales funnels and generate qualified leads from different time zones. Its custom live chat during recorded events and moderation of comments from the moderator room have proven invaluable for many users. It has also been useful for hosting daily informational webinars and offering weekly or daily webinars to prospects without the need for live hosting. It offers a variety of features, including automated registration and email reminders, interactive sessions, and customizable webinar settings. Users can also create a library of past webinars and access analytics to track the performance of their webinars. EverWebinar's ability to create evergreen webinars that capture leads and automate sales has impressed many. Watch this video to the end, and you will discover the promised benefits and how to effectively use this webinar tool to increase your customer management and conversion rate without much hassle. Kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button as we continue with this EverWebinar review. Also, make sure to check the description below for the best price, discounts, free tools, and free trial packages on EverWebinar. What does EverWebinar really do? EverWebinar is an automated webinar software that enables users to schedule, host, and simulate live events according to their specific needs. The user-friendly software allows you to customize a webinar campaign without having to repeat steps. With countless automated tools at your disposal, your audience can attend your webinars whenever they are free, since the events are located in the cloud. From providing flexible schedules to ensuring each webinar has high-quality video and audio, EverWebinar helps you create professional webinars without any hassle. With EverWebinar, users can either go solo or invite co-presenters for their live stream events and highlight them one at a time with the aid of its dynamic and flexible layout controls. As they run their webinars, attendees can ask questions using the built-in live chat. EverWebinar can broadcast to thousands of people at once, and it's an excellent way to build relationships with potential and current customers. Additionally, EverWebinar is a great way to boost sales. It can help you close more sales deals and increase customer loyalty, which in turn can lead to increased profits. Benefits and key features of EverWebinar. 1. Valuable automation tool. Users have found EverWebinar to be a valuable tool for automating the process of streaming events. With EverWebinar's automation feature, all you need is a recorded version of your webinar, and you will be able to reach prospective customers at your convenience. 2. Convenient integration capabilities. Many third-party apps and programs can be integrated with EverWebinar to make your marketing run more seamlessly. With its autoresponder integration, you can manage your contact database, segment your registrants, and make them subscribe to different mailing lists. 3. Analytics and stats. EverWebinar allows you to follow up on each webinar with detailed analytics about how it went, including attendee numbers, engagement levels, and click-throughs. This insight will help you plan future webinars with a better response from the audience. 4. Flexible webinar scheduling. With EverWebinar, you don't have to be free to host a webinar, and you don't need to wait for your attendees to free themselves either. All you'll have to do is tap into the flexible scheduling tool, choose the dates and times that work for your audience, and plan your pre-recorded webinars accordingly. 5. Hybrid webinar feature. EverWebinar allows you to host an automated webinar with a live chat. This way, the attendees can send any questions related to the topic of the webinar to the chat, and they'll get their responses as if the webinar were actually live. 6. SMS and email marketing. EverWebinar allows you to send out emails and SMS to those who have registered for your upcoming events. Rather than having a separate management system that does this, it can be easily automated on this platform. 7. Active product offers. With EverWebinar, you can set offers to appear at certain times in the webinar rooms, encouraging your attendees to click on them and make a purchase without having to visit an external website. 8. Extensive collections of landing pages. EverWebinar has a huge selection of landing pages to pick from. You can also make adjustments to different displays, including text, images, logos, and more, to tailor the template to your business's personality. EverWebinar's pricing and plans. EverWebinar uses a monthly, annual, and biennial subscription model based on attendance limits per webinar. The $1 trial option allows you to test the software's capabilities with limited features. If you sign up using the link in the description below, you will get discount offers and the benefit of unlimited attendees on all your webinars. You will also get a 100% money-back guarantee on all plans. If you are not satisfied with the product, you will get a full refund. Pros: drag-and-drop webinar creation with pre-built templates, registration and attendee management tools that boost conversions, advanced analytics to track engagement and conversion metrics, ability to automate, record, or replay webinars on demand, supports multiple payment gateways, dedicated customer support and live chat from real humans, 100% money-back guarantee on all plans when you sign up with the link in the description below. Cons: the $1 trial option comes with limited features. Conclusion: EverWebinar enables businesses, individuals, and institutions to create and deliver professional webinars with ease. With EverWebinar, you can drive more sales by offering incentives such as discounts, bonus content, or entry into a contest. By using EverWebinar to increase engagement with potential and current customers, you can create an effective digital marketing strategy that boosts sales. EverWebinar offers all the advanced tools you need for hosting pre-recorded webinars. You can also automate everything from your past or life webinar, including sales funnels, charts, and many more, to run a practical automated webinar as you focus on other essential things. EverWebinar is ready to work with you to achieve marketing success. Take advantage of its capabilities to streamline your marketing efforts and propel your business to new heights with ease. You can check the link in the description below to sign up and get access to premium tools that will help improve your experience with EverWebinar. If you enjoyed this EverWebinar review, kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future reviews.